Monique Worrell's administration of criminal justice in the Ninth Circuit has been clearly and fundamentally derelict so as to constitute both neglect of duty and incompetence.
We all know that this is not about policy or anything that I've actually done. The governor and his cronies have been searching for a reason for my suspension for well over a year now.
First story here is a big one that impacts reaching the state and the nation right now. The governor suspending the Orange-Osceola state attorney, and she says she's not going without a fight. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Matt Austin.
And I'm Ginger Gadsden. We have team coverage on her suspension, her history in the state attorney's office, and the shooting case that led to the governor's decision. We start with News 6's Catherine Silver live tonight. Catherine.
The executive order filed by the governor's office includes the formal reasons for Monique Worrell's suspension, among them claims of incompetence and neglect of duty as required by law.
One, a pattern or practice to avoid minimum mandatory sentences for gun crimes.
At an early morning press conference in Tallahassee, Governor Ron DeSantis listed some of the arguments in his executive order to suspend the state attorney in the Ninth Judicial Circuit. The 40-page filing accuses Monique Worrell of avoiding issuing minimum mandatory sentences for drug traffic offenses and a pattern of practice that allows juvenile offenders to avoid incarceration, among other claims.
I know that today's decision, we had a duty to act to protect the public.
The governor's attorney general and top law enforcement officials agree.
If the state attorney is not being the voice for the victims, our efforts are wasted.
But supporters of the state attorney say the suspension is a political play.
This is political pandering. This is a man that has a failed presidential campaign.
Democratic lawmakers are calling for Worrell to be reinstated immediately. The governor appointed Judge Andrew BAIN to take her place.
Instead of protecting the righteous from the unjust, the state attorney's office has allowed lawlessness to take root in our community.
The former football player at the University of Miami and Florida A&M Law School graduate started his legal career as an assistant state attorney in the Ninth Circuit. A letter sent to his staff Wednesday says all state attorney-created diversion programs will be suspended. They are listed online as alternative options designed to relieve overburdened courts and give offenders a chance at better outcomes. And some of those programs offer early intervention for juveniles and veterans. There are drug diversion programs and an underage drinking diversion program. Each one has requirements to participate, and they are geared towards less serious offenders. I'm live in Orlando. Catherine Silver, getting results. News 6.